Alright, we're back to the list of quizzes. And I'd like to tell you how to export emails of your Facebook quiz players. As I've told you before, your email subscribers from your trivia and personality quizzes are stored in this section, email subscribers. And it's different with Facebook quiz. Emails of people who logged in through Facebook to take your Facebook quizzes can't be accessed through the main menu of WP Quiz Pro. Facebook quiz players' emails are saved in a table of MySQL database of your WordPress site. If you know how to work with MySQL database, you can easily find that table and export the emails. But if you don't know how to work with MySQL database, don't worry, I'm going to show you a simple trick that is going to allow you to extract these emails easily. So we go to Plugins, Add New, and then we search for a plugin called Database Browser. Alright, it's pretty easy to find. The plugin is called Database Browser, and we choose Install Now. So the plugin is installed, then you choose Activate. Alright. So we can see the plugin has been installed, and then you go to Tools, Database Browser, and the main interface of the plugin is here. Then we select table called WP Quiz FB Users. Here's the table's name. WP underscore is the prefix of your WordPress tables in the database. It can be present or absent, depending on your choice. And here's the name of the table, WP Quiz FB Users. So the easiest thing you can do is just select this table, and you're gonna have a table like this displayed. So here you have different columns with a bunch of information, and the most important columns here are emails, first name, last name, gender, and there are some connections with friends here. We can see if a person has friends, other Facebook quiz players. So first name and last name are usually displayed correctly unless we have some non-Latin characters like Cyrillic characters in this case. This is why we have question marks displayed instead of letters. You can just export the whole table into HTML or any other of the formats. But if you only need email addresses, for example, to later use in your Facebook ad campaigns, you can edit query a little bit. So the structure of the query is this. You select all rows from the table, and here you have columns, the titles of the columns. So if you only need email addresses, you delete all of these column names and only leave the ones you need, or the one you need. So look at this query. We're only gonna select the column email from this table, and the limit is gonna be 100. So we run the query, and here you go. You only have email addresses, and you can copy them or you can extract them. You can export them to any of the formats and later use them in your ad campaigns. There's one more thing I would like to mention again. I've already told you about this, but make sure in your app settings for your WP Quiz Pro plugin, in the section App Review, you should have this option set to yes. So you want to make this app that you're using for your quiz plugin public, and this sentence should be displayed. your app is currently live and available to the public. It means that people can log in through Facebook to take all of your quizzes and can share your quizzes on Facebook. So that's all I want to say about Facebook quizzes and WP Quiz Pro plugin in general. The plugin is quite new. It was only released in November 2016, so they develop it, and I hope they will add new features for the plugin.